Dubai is not just about tall buildings and fancy cars. It is actually a global city that offers you safest environment, high career opportunities, high quality education and an unmatched lifestyle. If you are considering studying abroad, then Dubai is definitely worth considering, whether you are professional or student looking for better options. There are several advantages like proximity. One of the biggest advantages is how close Dubai is to India. It is just a flight away. So if you ever want to go back to your home for an emergency or for a family function, you can take your flight in the morning and be in India in the evening. This connection gives you peace of mind that you are not too far from your family and your loved ones. Safety is another major reason why people choose Dubai. It is one of the safest cities in the world. The rules here are very strict that keep city clean, disciplined and secure. Especially for Indian parents, it's a big relief to know that their kids are studying or working in a safest place where they don't have to worry about theft, violence and discrimination kind of issues which are very common in some other countries. When it comes to work opportunities, Dubai is booming. Even though some Western countries are facing job market challenges, Dubai's economy is growing in many sectors. If you are skilled in digital marketing, tourism and hospitality, or logistics, there are plenty of chances to bring a strong career here. Salaries are competitive and depends on your experience, but overall, it's a great place to grow professionally. And here is the best part, there is no income tax in Dubai. Yes, you heard it right. Unlike many countries where a big chunk of money goes to tax, in Dubai, whatever you earn, it is yours to keep. So if you are earning 10,000 dirhams, you actually get to take home the full amount. That makes a big difference in saving money and supporting your family back home. Now you might be thinking, is Dubai is expensive? So the truth is, it all depends on your lifestyle. The city offers all kinds of housing options, from flats to luxurious villas. Whether your budget is big or small, you can find whatever suits you. For students, Dubai has become more and more popular. It has campuses of many international universities, like the Canadian University of Dubai, University of Birmingham, Manipal. These universities offers the same quality of education as their main campuses, but in very low cost. Like the environment is multicultural, you get to meet people from all around the world. Getting a visa is also very easy compared to other countries. You can apply for a student visa which comes around in 15 days and it costs around 5,000 dirhams, which is equals to 1 lakh rupees. There are also tourist visas if you just want to visit, employment visas if you want to work, and golden visas if you qualify for long-term residency. If you want a full video explaining these visa types, let us know in the comments and we'll make one for you. And if we talk about intakes, the major intakes are September and January, and some universities takes admissions in April as well. Now let's be honest, no place is perfect. Dubai doesn't offer permanent settlement the way countries like Canada or Australia do. Most people here are on visas which needs to be renewed every year. Talking about pros and cons. Also, if you are starting out in your career, your salary might be similar what you would earn in India, but yes, it might increase rapidly. And since it's a desert city, there is not much natural greenery, though the parks and public places are well maintained. But the advantages are pretty strong. Education is affordable and of high quality. The visa process is simple and doesn't ask for a huge bank balance. Even if you have study gap, many universities still considers your application. And students can work part-time without any time limit, which helps you manage your expenses while you study. Dubai brings together career opportunities, safety and a modern multicultural lifestyle. Whether you are looking for study, work or for a better lifestyle, this city has a lot to offer you. So what do you think? Is Dubai the right move for you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions and wants us to cover something specific, just drop a comment below. We'd love to help.